How to fix Google Assistant not responding. Hey everyone, welcome back. If your Google Assistant isn't responding to Hey Google or commands of your voice on Android, this usually happens due to mic issues, disabled settings, or outdated services. Try these fixes one by one. First, check your internet connection. Google Assistant needs an active connection, so switch between Wi Fi and mobile data. Tap on it, and you can also try to toggle on airplane mode for 10 seconds. So just go ahead and tap on the toggle on airplane mode. Once you turn it on, turn it off again after a few seconds, and you should be good to go. You need to make sure that Google Assistant is enabled. For that, what you can do is go ahead and tap on settings. From your settings menu, you need to go ahead and scroll down here until you find Google. Tap on Google Services, tap on All Services, scroll down here, and you need to find your available services for search, assistant, and voice. And once that's done, you can go to Google Assistant and make sure that the Google Assistant is enabled. You can also retrain Hey Google on here. So go to voice match, delete your existing data, and remove your voice match from here. Then you need to uh, go ahead and uh, retrain your Hey Google voice. Now you can also try to clear cache for your Google app. Just long press on Google, tap on the I button, go to storage, tap on clear cache. Should be good to go. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.